Let's make a simple Mother's Day gift with Craft Jenny. First we need a square shaped paper. Here I have cut a paper dimensions as 12 centimeters in length and width. Then you can follow the steps I'm doing here to fold the paper. And as the next step, we have to draw this shape and cut in order to make a heart shape. Now fold the shape we cut like I'm doing here. Okay, now we can decorate this as we prefer. For this video, I'm making this as a Mother's Day gift, but you can also try this for any occasion like Teacher's Day, birthdays, anniversaries. Okay, now you can write your message in this side and decorate the page as you like. Here I have cut a green colored paper, dimensions as 15 cm by 6 cm. After making the stem, we can glue them like this. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as well.